Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to each and every one of us. This is your Kuya Fiat. I'm here now in the kitchen. I will cook potato omelette or potato tortang patatas. And now I'm giving you the ingredients, yes. Here are the ingredients: 3 egg, garlic, onion, potato or patatas in Tagalog. So that's the ingredients, and I will give another twist. I will put coriander. That is coriander. I sliced it already. I sliced them already. I just prepared them so that it's easy for me to cook. So I must have to beat the egg, then I will start cooking. Okay guys, I put a pinch of salt when I beat the egg. Just a pinch of salt, just a little. Yes, and I put a salt also and black pepper in the potato before I will fry first the potato. Okay, then we will start frying the potato. Okay guys, I just preheated the wok with oil. Now the wok is hot, so we will put the potato to fry first. Now I'm using the wood paddle to protect the coating of the pan. Do not destroy the pan. If you would spill, it will disrupt the pan. While frying the potato, I will put the coriander in the egg and beat it again. There. And beat a little. Coriander is good. It brings out the aroma. The aroma is nice. Yeah. Now I will beat it. Okay, so let's see the fried potato. Now we will turn it back so it will not burn the other side. You can hear how the potato sizzles. Very nice, guys. Yes. And this one will go with sweet corn. I know what is sweet corn because I'm also cooking sweet corn. Sweet corn, not sweet corn. That's right. So sweet corn with potato, tortang potato or omelette, as you call it. You know, it's the all the same. You know, the secret, I always tell you, the secret of cooking is give love in what you are doing, especially if you are cooking, and you can taste the love of someone who cooks the food. You know, guys. Now I will put the garlic first. I will put the garlic. Yeah. Now we are cooking. And then I will put the onion. You know, you can see the brown color of the potato. That is the best one. You know, the burn. You see? The best one. Now I will turn the fire a little bit. Lower. Okay. And now the aroma is coming out. Wow. So nice. When you put the garlic in the onion, wow. Okay guys. Now I will put this one in the egg again. So I take out the cooked potato, garlic and onion. Now I pour down the egg and coriander here. Like that. And we'll mix it again. Like that. And then we will put a little oil. I did not wash the wok because we know that we cook the potato in the onion and the garlic in the wok. So again I put oil, a little oil, just a little. And now I will put the fire a little stronger. There. See, but you must have to turn it a little bit slower. Yeah, medium heat, medium fire. I don't know what we call it. Now I will put this one, the mix. We pour it all, guys. There. Now I will spread it like this. See? That is how I cook potato tortang potato with coriander, or what we call the omelette. So don't put the fire on high. Just a medium fire. Okay, then wait that the egg will is cooked slowly. You know, guys. See, we can turn this, and then we can plop this one. We can plop this one like this. See. Then flip it again, like this. Like this. Yes. That is only one potato, guys. I think good for four. Good for 4 person. That is only one big potato with 3 eggs or 4 eggs, I don't know. With coriander and garlic and onion. See, then we flip it up again, or see. See, but not yet cooked. You see, because the fire is too slow, so it will cook slowly. It will not burn. That's the secret. See. See, not yet cooked in the middle. But for me, that is good already. But others don't want. Okay. This is a little patient, guys, and this will be ready with the sweet corn. The sweet corn is ready too. See, it's a little couple of minutes, maybe a minute or 2. And let's go breakfast or lunch. I don't know, because it's already 11 o'clock here in Macau. Okay. I will show you by and by the finished product of this one, guys. This is the okay, guys. This is the finished product. I will flip it one more time so that you will see. Okay. Oh, that's perfect. So I will switch off the fire. Put the one in the see. That is the finished product, and we will switch off the rice cooker or the sweet corn, and then what's the next, guys? I don't know. Maybe the next one will start cooking, and I will put this one as a siding of that one, so that there is no so many things to wash. You see? That's the finished product of my potato omelette with coriander, or we call it the tortang patatas with coriander. Guys, it's time to have a break lunch. Yeah, breakfast lunch. Bye for now, guys. This is it, guys. Let's eat one sweet corn, the tortang potato or the omelette with hot coffee. Let's eat, guys. Bye for now. Bye-bye.